Good morning to everyone. Today we are going to talk about case study problem. Okay, shall we start? Case study problem is nothing but securing a personal laptop with a strong password. Okay, suppose if we don't have password means everyone hacking our data, documents, images, videos, etc. So everyone we have keep the password, the strong password for our mobile, for all the things. Okay, today we are going to talk about a case study problem statement. The user's laptop has no password means allowing anyone hacking our physically access the device without our permission, steal the information, data such as a document, photos, saved login detail. So it is a very must we can give the password. In this problem we can give the solution based on design thinking approach. The design thinking approaches have the 5 parameters in design thinking approach. The first one empathize, the second one define, third one ideate, fourth one prototype, and fifth one testing. In this empathize means in users understand the user's needs. The user what are the needs and habits want users, that is called empathize. The first one example what to do. Imagine your users like a student, parent or small business owner. Okay, in case they won't use password means easily we are hacking their data without their permission. So the password is very must. Okay, that is called empathize. Users needs, what are the users needs and terms and condition, that is called empathize. The next one is define means problem explanation. Problem clearly state the problem based on your empathy findings. Problem definition, it is nothing but the user's laptop unsecured because it don't have the password, so it is very unsecured, vulnerable to authorized access, data theft. So password is very must, that is called define the statement. Next one idea. Each and everyone has so many ideas to prevent this problem, so that is called idea. Example, use a pin faster number, then fingerprint or facial print, face recognition, and laptops it is supported, that is called ideate. A prototype is nothing but it create a simple testable solution. Wherever we are using we can create the model or solution, that is called testable solution. Example, we can go to the settings account section, then we can give the small group, then we can give the OTP like one time password authentication, then or else face recognition or fingerprint, anything else we can make it. Means it is very difficult to hack the data, that is called a prototype. Then the last one testing. So testing means it whenever we can try the prototype or model or solution, that solution gather the feedback, we can ask the feedback about prototype. So after the user follow the guidance at the password. Okay, thank you.
ப்ராப்ளம் ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட் வந்து செக்யூரிட்டியில் லேப்டாப் வித் ஸ்ட்ராங் பாஸ்வேர்டு. நிறைய பேர் வந்து லேப்டாப்பில் பாஸ்வேர்டே போட மாட்டாங்க. அதனால் என்ன ஆகுனா வேறு யாராவது ஆக்சஸ் ஈஸியாக பண்ணிக்கலாம், அது ஏதாவது டேட்டா ஸ்டீல் பண்ணிக்கலாம், இன்ஃபர்மேஷன் எடுத்துக்குவாங்க. ஹேக்கர்ஸ்க்கெல்லாம் வந்து ரொம்ப ஈஸியாக ஒரு பாஸ்வேர்டு பண்ண லேப்டாப் நம்ம என்ன பண்ணணும்னா ஒரு ஸ்ட்ராங்கான பாஸ்வேர்டு ஃபிக்ஸ் பண்ணணும். அது எப்படி பண்ணுறது 5 ஸ்டேஜஸ் ஆஃப் டிசைன் திங்கிங் சொல்லி
அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் பண்ணி யூசர் வந்து செட் ஆகிற பாஸ்வேர்ட் வைக்கிறது. இதுக்கு வந்து எக்ஸாம்பிள் வந்து பேரண்ட்டு, ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ், அப்புறம் வந்து சிம்பிள் பிஸ்னஸ் பண்ணுறவங்களுக்கு வந்து பாஸ்வேர்டு அவங்களுக்கு சீக்கிரம் பண்ணுற மாதிரி ஈஸியாக இருக்கிற பாஸ்வேர்டு வைக்கிறது.
They doesn't have a strong password, so we have when we put the two-step verification process, they used to put the two-step verification process, we will another.
Developing one page checklist for password and